Hello guys, share ko lang po yung mga pagkain na kinain namin habang nag-meeting kami kanina. Special po niya para sa akin kasi meron po siyang fresh fruit juices from mint lemonade, orange, and watermelon, and fruits like strawberry, pineapple, melon, grapes, and blueberry, and some croissant breads. So ito po guys yung kinuha naming mga fruits, croissant, and watermelon juice. Kain mo lang yan, Marge. So, meron din palang manakish, guys. Wow, ang sarap nito, guys. Manakish. Ang sarap ng manakish nila, guys. Or baka gutom lang siguro ako. Manakish is a flat bread made of soft dough and a cheese in the middle. Kain po tayo, guys. Hanggang sa muli.